Add fade effect with exposure. Welcome to another quick Photoshop tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to create faded look. Definitely you can get this with levels or curves, but you can do this quickly and more effectively with exposure. So let's make fade effect with exposure in 2 minutes. Thank you for watching this tutorial. You may forget to drop a like, leave a comment or to subscribe, but don't forget to check out our other tutorials. We have a lot of those just waiting for you. Check those out.